In part 3 of this series, I'm going to show you how to smooth out your smooth coil bowl and finish it off. First, I'm going to make sure that the lip of the bowl or the rim of the bowl is smooth and clean and even all the way around. I'll use a combination of a wood tool, a rib tool, and later come back with a sponge to smooth everything out and finish it off. The clay at this stage is leather hard, and I'm working right now with a rib tool to make sure all my seams of the inside coils are well blended and everything is strongly constructed. Lastly, I'm going back in with a sponge in order to smooth everything out and make sure that all the edges are nice and clean. Finally, don't forget to flip your pot over and carve your initials and period number into the bottom of your bowl so we can easily identify who it belongs to. Here's a look at our final product. Thank you for watching.